We're heading to elephant sanctuary. We're so excited. We're gonna like feed the elephants and play with them and stuff. They just picked us up in this like, we're like,
truck.
Yeah, we're in the back of a truck and they just have these seats. And we're just sitting here. We're stopped at another hotel. I think we're waiting for
we're picking up some other people.
Yeah, picking up other people. But yeah, our hotel is like down that road. And we're just sitting in the truck, waiting to go play with the elephants. The elephants are running.
Son over here, give a look. Oh, he's so happy. The grandma is not so much anything, so you have to feed him. Oh, breath is hot. You want a beautiful photo, my friend?
Pet him. Look at you once more. Give him more. He's like another. We just fed the elephants bananas. Oh, elephant booty. Oh, look at this guy.
Oh, over here. Potro, buddy. Huh?
You put your hand like right on it, you can feel its muscles just moving. I've got some for you.
Where you from?
Okay, we just fed the elephants and we like
petted them.
played with them. Yeah, just like got to interact with them. And I think,
kissed me.
Yeah, we kissed the elephants. We didn't get a video of Brysen kissing it, but Brysen got a video of me kissing the elephant. The elephant, you can barely see it. He whacked me with
Like
his
this
tail.
tiniest little like sliver paper cut.
Yeah, he whacked me with his tail and it hurt. I think we're breaking for lunch now and then we're gonna go. I think it's hard to understand these people, but we're gonna go swimming. Yeah, these people. We're gonna go swimming with the elephants and like giving them mud baths and bathing them. We're gonna change into our swimming suits. That's what I do.
Come over there.
Go ahead, bro.
Hi. Babe. Harder, babe.
I will let you pick elephant poop like a poop man. You see we have poop. Okay.
Which one does it go?
Yeah, I put it in his mouth.
My bag.
Whenever you come close to an elephant or get I talk a lot of this stuff.
Oh, thanks.
เอาสิtúเอาสิtú tắm màyเอาđi đi cảเอาสิtú
We're back from the elephants. We went and got.
Long day.
Yeah, it was so fun. That was a lot of fun.
That was a lot of fun. Yeah, yeah. It was. I don't regret any bit of it.
But it was just like a long drive in that like back of the Jeep thing, and that made us motion sick.
Yeah, it was like 4 hours of driving.
But we went and got some candy. Like Thai candy.
We got these too, but we have these in America, so.
Yeah. Okay. These are called Maltesers. I've heard of them a lot. I think they're like Whoppers.
Yeah, we've heard a lot about them, but never had them.
Oh, and we just got out of the shower from playing with the elephants. That's why we look a little shower-ish.
Messy.
Oh, I think it's dark chocolate.
Is it? Yeah. I mean, it says dark right there.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, they're pretty much like Whoppers.
They're like dark chocolate Whoppers. We got these. They're like
They look
jelly
like
candies.
they look like high chews to us.
Oh my! Look what it looks like, a little Jello. You try it first.
Isn't it like gooey on the inside or something?
I don't know. It's squishy. How is it?
It's like a fruit snack.
It's actually not bad. Well, we have lots more planned to do here in Thailand. But we're gonna end this vlog and come back for another one. I don't know how many parts we're doing. Bye!